Good evening. I hope you are doing great. Welcome to Xtrahot Forex channel. If you are not subscribed, smash that subscribe button so that you don't really miss all these coming updates about the market. And you know what? We are on our economic calendar, and actually, this is the last week where the market will be moving very nice, or maybe where we can actually have some trades at the moment. So we just have to conclude for this year. Guys, I lost my devices like my cell phones and stuff like that. So if you were trying to call me, just know that maybe tomorrow or Tuesday things will be back to normal. So from tomorrow we can see that on our side in South Africa, this is a holiday, 16 June. It's actually a holiday, but we can see here there are some economic news, PMI, manufacturing PMI, service PMIs. And when we go to Tuesday, we see CPI from Canada and retail sales from the US. It seems like the dollar is going to be stronger. I see here the estimate seems to be quite high, and that is not really good for the dollar. I mean, for other pairs, because the dollar is getting stronger and stronger, and inflation seems to be doing what? It seems to be going up. But maybe this is just seasonal, just because now maybe it's festive season. Maybe things, sales are going up. Footprint, or let's say customers are like, there is like extra customers who are buying, and now everything or every economic event is gonna try to push higher, trying to correlate with the season. So on Wednesday we can easily see that we have federal fund rate or interest rates from the US, and this is something that we will be waiting for. Then when we go again on Thursday, we have interest rates from JPY. We have another one from GBP. So actually this week is going to be very important. I see retail sales from from Canada, and the one that is going to close is core PCE, quite similar to CPI. I hope that makes sense. So this week is going to be very, very interesting. So for those who want the system, guys, yes, we still have the system, and the system is actually 149. So I will keep this price until a year end, or let's say until month end. Then from January, we are going to go to 210. So something like that, because the system is working very nice. You can see here we are on what? Okay, on Euro USD, you can see here how many times did you get these sell positions, and they were all actually giving us some very nice, whether it's a bullish signal or buy a sell signal or buy signal, they were all accurate. For those who want the system, you just plug and play. You can add any pair that you want. Just let me know. So now let's see on the market. Oh, this one, it's US30. We did smash this one. I did send this a few days ago, but now we have to just go on our gold and see what's really happening. I don't really want to make these videos very long, guys. I don't really want to make these videos very long. Yeah, for updates, guys, and other stuff that are happening, check my description. You will find a Telegram link. Go there, find some free stuff in there. So on gold, we can see that, yeah, the overall structure shows us that, you know what, the market is still actually on that nice uptrend. But from this view, you can see that the market is currently going lower, but the overall structure is what? It's actually an uptrend. So which means we're waiting for the market to reach our support area before we see it push the upside, unless if maybe the market decides to break out. But at the moment, it seems like the market will be trying to actually go even lower. Let's see, the market will be trying to go even lower, maybe reaching this level, but that level, to me, it will be around the same area as this diagonal support. You can see that. So if the market bounces back here, I won't complain. So at the moment, we know that there are tensions in the Middle East, Russia, Ukraine. Likely enough, maybe the year is getting to an end. Maybe Trump will be the president. Maybe he will able to stop the tensions, and that will be actually great. But at the moment, Seems like things are not really good. Sometimes the dollar is stronger, and we just want to see the market reverse. If those tensions are going to stop, obviously gold will start to do what? Will start to go even lower, because gold likes tensions, guys. When things are not stable, gold will be there to push things higher. It's like those businesses which makes money when things are not really going very well, because gold actually can retain its value for a quite long without losing much. So that's why when there is tensions, people tend to buy gold, right? So now we are on US30. What's really happening? We can easily see that the market is been showing us that, you know what, guys, I'm doing higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and I've been talking about these levels for quite some time. Now it shows us, I actually did point out this one. I said, is the market trying to create this type of a move where we could see a consolidation or maybe something like that? And it seems like it's creating something like this, but just look at this reversal there. So if maybe you don't really have much there, or if you don't really have tools, get the system. It's going to help you to have that buy or not to miss that buy. I think it's obvious. Maybe next week when we have interest rates, we will see a very nice shoot to the upside, and that's what we want. I'm expecting to see a continuation of this bullish move. Do you see that? I actually want to see it go even higher. At the moment, things actually looks good, you see. So I think I skipped that much. So now let's go straight to Nasdaq. Guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you want to be part of some free services. Check my Telegram group. Try to be part of the team there. Then you will see what we actually offer. So now we can see that we are on Nasdaq 100. We can easily see that, yes, we are still on that nice uptrend. The market is actually doing what? The market is actually showing us that we are on that uptrend, which means we expect to see the market going even higher. So if we can go closer, you can see that the market has been pushing it actually higher, but in a slower pace, because if you check, the trend is quite a bit slower. And with this type of a move, it shows us that the market is aggressively actually going higher. But I think there are some chances that the market can reverse before we see a very nice push to the upside. But at the moment, we just need to see what will happen. Let's just relax. If the market does its thing, I think you see this area, maybe it's where the market will find that support before going higher. Unless if maybe the market will be stronger on that sell, then the market can sell up to this point where we can say it's our stronger support area. So yeah, I hope maybe you see that. So at the moment, we are at the highest level, but it shows us that Nasdaq is quite strong at that. It's quite bullish, so which means we will be looking for a continuation of some buys along the way. But we're not in a rush. We just have to wait for the market to reach our levels before we start to think about buying or selling. Simple as that. So here's the last one, which is US oil. US oil has been also struggling a little bit. So we can see that the market here, it's been actually, let me try to see this on a daily time frame. So the market has been actually showing us that we are trying to do what? We are actually going lower and lower, but the market is struggling, or I can say the market is refusing to continue to the lower side. That's why we end up seeing the market consolidate. Maybe the market will end up going higher, but what I know is where we are mostly lower levels. Actually the lowest level, because we are very closer to 60 something, 66, 67, 64, around that. So but the aim is to see the market continue with this trend. If that doesn't really happen, it means maybe we will see a change that will break that support area. I hope that makes sense. For those who want tools, if you're tired of trying to analyze and you still don't get it right, or maybe you don't really follow that, you still panic, we have the system. That system is going to create signals for you, or tell you where to buy or where to sell and when to get out. On top of that, the system, it doesn't really expire, and you get the system, you just plug everything that you want for only $149. If you really want to make it in trading, one way or another, you have to have tools. If you go into war, for example, it means you have to have tools to help you to survive. But if you don't really have tools, it means you're not going to survive that much. So, but if you have options, that is always a good thing for a trader to have. Some people, they will never tell you that they also use indicators and stuff, but they will just say, oh, I'm trading 1 to 3, because they don't really want you to eat also, you see. But anyways, let's not really complain. You can scan that QR code for those who want the system. If you want, I forgot, if you want our signals is still $60, or we can change that and say, you know what, let's just make Christmas for everyone. Let's make Christmas for everyone. Anyone can join our lifetime signals for actually, let's make someone's for actually $28. Lifetime signals, $28. This is going to be only for this week, from this Sunday until next Sunday. So $28 lifetime signals. And if maybe you are interested, just let me know. You can just scan this QR code, then it will take you straight to my WhatsApp area. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.